In the 1800s, cancer killed fewer than 2 people out of every 100. Today, nearly half of us will hear those words in our lifetime. Something catastrophic happened between then and now, and it wasn't what you think. By 1950, cancer was already 15% of deaths. The sharpest spike? Young adults, specifically their digestive systems, the organs that process what we eat. Your intestines used to be a thriving ecosystem. Bacteria living on fiber fermented it and produced butyrate, fuel for colon cells that did something remarkable. It hunted cancer. Cancer cells use enzymes called HDACs to lock away their kill switches, genes like p53 that force damaged cells to self-destruct. Butyrate blocks those enzymes. The DNA unwinds. Suppressor genes switch on. The cancer cell triggers its own death while healthy cells remain untouched. We used to produce it every day. Then came antibiotics. They saved millions. But children born after 1960 received more courses in their first 10 years than their grandparents got in a lifetime. Each round wiped out gut species that never came back. Fiber vanished from the Western diet, replaced by processed substitutes. The butyrate factory shut down. The standard explanations don't hold up. Aging? The explosion in young adult cancers destroys that theory. Better detection? Doesn't explain stage 4 cases or deaths. Pollution? Studies show toxins explain only a fraction. None explain why our guts are the epicenter. None explain the mice. In the wild, cancer in mice is almost unheard of. In labs, it's a leading cause of death. Lab mice are raised germ-free in sanitized boxes. Wild mice live in dirt, eat rotting plants, carry parasites. When scientists transplanted wild mouse gut bacteria into lab mice, the lab mice stopped developing tumors. Even when injected with carcinogens, the microbiome was the shield. Scientists discovered a bacterium in frogs, Euangella americana, that kills 100% of colon cancer cells on contact. Proof that bacteria naturally produce cancer-destroying compounds. Ivermectin, derived from soil bacteria, massively boosts Bifidobacterium, the genus that strengthens intestinal barriers. And NIH studies showed wild microbiomes don't just reduce tumors, they reduce the systemic inflammation that lets cancer spread. We sterilized childhood with antibiotics. We swapped fiber for factory food. We eliminated dirt, fermented foods, raw vegetables. Anything that fed the ecosystem inside us. We dismantled a cancer defense system millions of years in the making. The microbial assassins went extinct, and the tumors we were never supposed to get started growing. The answer isn't in another drug, it's in what we threw away, fiber. Fermented foods, dirt under our fingernails, bacteria we called obsolete. They were our guardians. Wild mice showed us, give the ecosystem back and the body remembers how to defend itself. The cancer epidemic is a consequence, and consequences can be reversed.